How's it going, everybody? This is Jeff Mann with Team Reelin the Blues. Well, the crappie bite has been on fire and the catfish bite not so much. So I've been concentrating a lot more on crappie fishing. Well, today I'm just going to do some good old-fashioned slip bobber floating for crappie. The crappie are about 17 to 22 foot deep, so it makes it hard to use a normal bobber. So what I do is I set up this nice simple system here. You can buy the bobber stops at about any tackle shop. And some of them are a little rubber bead and some of them are just like this. It's just a little knot that you tie on the line. Put your bead on it about double the size of your line. You want the hole in the bead to be about double the size of your line. That way it slides up and down the line easy enough. And you just use a nice simple slip float. Small split shot on the bottom, about 6 to 12 inches above your hook, and just a plain old gold hook. You can do this rig also using jigs, and that's really effective. If you figure out what depth the crappie you're running at, you can put a slip float and tie a jig right here. Works great. You flip it out, and as you just barely bump it along, the jig works up and down underneath the bobber. Great for presenting the bait at an exact depth. All right, let's see if we can't get some crappie in the boat. Well, that didn't take long. Wow, that's what we're looking for. Beautiful little fish right there. Have mercy. Look at that. That didn't take long at all. Oh, that's a nice one right there. That's always nice when you put one in the boat that quick. Try that again. Put an extra split shot on it to help it sink a little quicker. There we go. Set it in the holder here. Try to rig up one of these other rods, never mind. Wow, these are some good crappie here today. Man, that's a pretty one. We've all been there and started fishing using these little bobbers. Gotta love them. All right, we're gonna do it again. May have to just switch over and start throwing jigs here in a minute. I think I'm gonna have a chance to put the rod down. We'll set it in the holder. Might actually be able to put the rod down this time. I'm just going to flip it and jig it. I was lazy and didn't put a fresh minnow on that one. Feels like another good crappie. Wow. Got the good ones in here today. Got the good crappie in here today. Finally. Decent sized crappie. There's three. I'm going to put a good minnow on that one here in a second. Set that there while I put a new minnow Bigger crappie are back in here now. Wow, these are some pretty crappie here. There's 4 big ones. Big ones. Another good one. Wow, he's a big old crappie today. Number 9. He's some nice ones today. They ain't monster. Boy, they're pretty. Oh, it's a big old crappie here. Ooh, that's a big one. Another nice one. There we go. Halfway there, that's 10. Gonna let him go. We're still at number 11. We're still at 11. I love to watch that bobber go under more. Love to watch the bobber go down. But something about that makes you feel like a kid again. Just don't get much better than that, people. No problem with the little dinky males today. That's for sure. I'm going to tie a jig on this shorter rod I got here. See if we can't jig us up a few of them. Boy, some good crappie. I don't know why I want to use jigs. I'll catch so many on minutes. It's just fun. keeping them this size the other day. That's a 9-inch fish. But we're catching so many of the bigger ones. Ain't no use keeping them small ones. Love to see that bobber go under the water. Just love it. Don't get any better. There you go, Crappie boy. Nice eaters. Pretty fish. There you go, Crappie. Oh yeah. Boy, you just don't get no better. The best action I've seen crappie wise in a while. Especially size wise, these are all decent sized fish. Now this one don't quite hold a candle to this one, but both good eaters. We'll throw that one back and put this in there. I can be picky now. Nice fish. Love slip float crappie fishing. Just love slip float crappie fishing. Why would anybody want to do anything else? A little dinky male. We'll throw him back. Crappie in here before I lose him. Another decent crappie. Ooh, real decent crappie. Wow. Beautiful day. That one there, I never even seen him hit the line. The line just quit sinking.